Imagine that you have a situation where your server is already running and you have made a change in the server file and now you want to reset it. The most straightforward way to do it is by installing a extension called Killport. You can do it easily by navigating to your terminal, typing in npm install g killport. Enter. Now it should install it. As soon as it is installed, we have to type in the command that goes like kill port, and now the number of the port that we are using, in our case it is 3001, so 3001, and now the port should be killed, as we can see. Now if we want to reset it, we actually have to run the server again by typing in our case, npm run server. Let's see. There we go.